Simplification and Energy Conservation video. Task, Studying for OT School by Erica Santos. Hi everybody, my name is Erica Santos and I'm a student at Methodist University in the Occupational Therapy Doctorate program. And today I'm going to take you through a task that I do every day, which is studying for OT school. So this is my study area, this is my desk, and I have all of my backpack and book bags over here on the floor. And normally when I study, the first thing I do is plug in my laptop. So I'm going to go over to my laptop, which is in my backpack on the floor. I'm going to set it on my desk. And then I always like to make sure that I have enough battery, so I'm going to plug my laptop in. So my cord is actually on the floor, and I'm going to have to push it up through the back of my desk. And then I catch the cord to plug into my laptop. The next thing I do is take my schedule out of my backpack from my binder so I can see which class I have next that I need to study for. So I'm sliding my backpack over on the floor, bending down, and taking a look at my schedule. And I know that I have my therapeutic communications class tomorrow. I go through my binder and look for the syllabus to see what reading I have for that day. So I need to read chapters 14 and 15 in Taylor. So after that, I go into my book bags to go find my Taylor book for my course. And my book bags, I have a lot of books. So I have one here on the chair and one here on the floor. So I'm looking for my therapeutic communication book. And then I set it down on the desk and do the reading. So this is where I sit to read. Sometimes I sit here like this and read, and sometimes I'll go and I'll slouch. And then after I'm done, I'll close my book and then I'll put everything away. So, slide my chair out, put my book back in my book bag with the rest of the books. Put my binder away. And then put my laptop away. So to simplify my task of studying and conserve energy, I'm going to take the following steps. 1, I'm going to leave my laptop cord on my desk and place a heavy object on it. This will eliminate me having to crawl underneath my desk and push the cord through every time I want to plug in my computer. I can also make my workspace a little more ergonomic by using a laptop holder. This will raise my laptop and avoid my neck looking down every time I look at the computer. What's awesome about my laptop is that if I decide that I want to read instead, it also duplicates as a book holder. If I'm confused about my schedule, instead of repeatedly going into my binder, I've went ahead and made a copy of my schedule for the semester, and I'm going to place it on the wall. To make my workspace a little more comfier, I'm also going to add a pillow onto my chair. And to eliminate the repetitive bending and twisting of my body, I put my backpack, my book bags, and a crate on this chair right here instead of putting it on the floor. Another task I took was taking all of my books and putting them in a crate and facing them up by their spine. So instead of fishing for books, I can see the titles on the side and take out which one I need for that day. Utilizing these strategies to study for OT school will help me conserve energy, simplify my studying task, and utilize time more effectively.